Hello, welcome to Crypto Box channel. Before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification to receive our crypto update. What we are experiencing now is a life-changing one, as we might not see this opportunity repeat itself again in our lifetime. Asterisk now is the time to enter the bear market and purchase stocks and crypto assets that you were not able to buy while the market is at an all-time high. Asterisk. Here is an explanation on what is happening presently in cryptocurrency and U.S. stock market. Here is the main reason why the cryptocurrencies and US stock market are down. The most powerful man in global finance, Jerome Powell, chairman of the Federal Reserve of the United States, the US equivalent of CBN, increased interest rates last week for the first time in 20 years. The reason for the increase by Powell is to stop inflation in the US, which is making it harder for people to buy things as inflation has eroded the purchasing power of the average US citizen. The implication of this decision by Powell is that institutional investors known as whales in the investment community are redirecting from assets that include cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin and tech stocks to invest on assets like Treasury bills, bonds, US dollars USDT, or any debt obligations issued by the US Department of the Treasury, because the full faith and credit of the US government backs them. Again, the whales want to preserve their capital and make profits from Treasury bills. But the honest truth is that they are coming back massively and would acquire the dip in the stock and crypto assets, which would enable them to make massive gain. Imagine a whale buy BTC at the present price with $500 million. By the time BTC goes back to $60,000, that's already $1 billion, and it's 100% profit in short term, which bond cannot give even in 20 years. Bonds give a little profit, and it's not as volatile as stock and cryptocurrencies because it is regulated by the government and they have control over it. Only those with good capitals can successfully participate in bond, and that is why cryptocurrencies and stock are better, because they raise new millionaires faster even with less capital compared to bond. Institutions are best players in bond, unlike in cryptocurrency and stock market. Asterisk what we are experiencing now is a life-changing one, as we might not see this opportunity repeat itself again in our lifetime. Asterisk now is the time to enter the bear market and purchase stocks and crypto assets that you were not able to buy while the market is at an all-time high. Asterisk. What is happening at the moment is like entering the crypto market before COVID came in 2020 or buying Tesla stock in 2019. Imagine what was the price of Tesla in 2019 and the amount it is now. We all know what happened afterwards and how it ended, as a new class of millionaires and billionaires in dollars were created. The same chance is here again, because this crisis will create new millionaires and billionaires in the next few years. Wealth will be redistributed in a way that we have not seen in the last few decades. With massive liquidations hitting the crypto space, markets have been left with quite the shock. On the 12th of May, Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency, had breached the $28,000 mark, down by 10.9% on the daily charts and 29.6% on the weekly chart. BTC is currently 59.9% down from its all-time high of $69,044.77, which it attained 6 months ago on the 10th of November 2021. However, this is not the first crypto crash, and most likely won't be the last. And with every crash comes the fear of losing your INV. Hello, it's Crypto Box channel again, and I'm happy to welcome you to another edition of our video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you get to know whenever we post similar videos like this. And just before we proceed, you may like to join our Telegram channel by clicking on the link in the description to enjoy benefits like free trading tips, general crypto analysis, free and legit airdrop, and lots more. Let us go into today's video without wasting much time. Investments, which is completely natural. So, in that regard, let's take a look at some of the things to keep in mind during a bear market. Avoid blindly buying the dip. Buying the dip simply means buying into an asset when the price drops. This is common practice among many investors, and many a time, it works. The notion is that the new lower price constitutes a bargain, since the dip is simply a temporary blip and the asset will rebound and improve in value over time. However, in a market that is as volatile as cryptocurrencies, it could be difficult to know when exactly a dip appears. The asset could fall further, leading to even more loss of investments. It is important that an investor knows how the assets behave and their history in the past. Diversify your investments for better security. Diversifying adds a layer of security for your money. This basically means to invest in a variety of assets, so that a dip in one and a surge in another will keep your balances in check. Investing in a diverse range of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, crypto, etc. will make sure your losses are not as heavy as they would have been if your money was on just one asset class. Don't freak out and panic sell. While it is natural to want to get out of an investment when it is falling, however, markets usually rally back up eventually. It is very important to not get emotional when the markets crash. Every crash is an opportunity, and hence it is of the utmost importance to not panic. It is through volatility that traders make money, and so can you. Every time Bitcoin has crashed, it has risen to new highs. So make sure you are aware of the past crashes before you make a decision. At times like this, it is obvious to have a feeling of uncertainty. So, take a deep breath, relax, and do your own research. Markets will continue to rise and fall, but you will be here to witness it all. Hence your mental health and peace is the most important thing to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive our newest updates.